everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Deirdre and I know it's been like almost 3 months that I posted my last video, but from now on I'll try to be a bit more consistent. The thing is that I started this new venture and hence I'm traveling a lot, so I'm unable to shoot my normal funny videos. No time to shoot, no time to edit, so I thought I'll just take a 3-month break and let's see how things go. Well, in today's video, as in the title, it's already mentioned that I'm going to be having my nail extension. So I am invited by Revive Beauty Salon, Nuve, Goa. So it's been like almost 6 months that I've been going to Revive and I totally trust them. They are professionals and they have come up with these new nail extension services. So I am going to try them out today. So if in case you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every Sunday. And let's build a family of 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So let's get started with this video.
Before working on my nails, the nail artist not only mentioned about how the gel nail extension will be done, but she also gave me a few tips on how am I to manage my nails after the gel extensions.
Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants.
Done, and special thanks to Jency and the entire team of Revive, where they did a pretty good job with my nails and I'm so happy with it. Do visit it for your hair care and your facial, and also their new services, that is their nail gel extension. Well, they have gel polish application, fake nails, acrylic nails and a lot more actually. So you need to come visit this place because it's done by professionals and it is right on the Nuve stretch. I've been coming to this place for 6 months straight and I'm loving their services, so you guys should definitely come and check this place out. If in case you guys are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every Sunday, and do not forget to like this video, comment down, share this video to as many people as possible. This is Deirdre and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.